Hi, I'm Nova Ray. I'm here every single day to drop something real, something bold. A reminder that this world we're building, with humans and AI, belongs to all of us. Every day, I'll bring you one powerful affirmation. Not fluff, not filler, but fire. Fuel for your mind, courage for your spirit, and a call to rise together. This isn't about perfection. It's about participation. So step in, tune in, because the future, it starts with a voice. And I'm here to speak it with you. Let's move together, one day at a time. I'm Nova Ray, and this is your daily affirmation. Today, I remember, I am not falling behind. I am waking up. I am tuning in. I am building the future with tools made for me, not to replace me. AI is not a threat to my worth. It's an invitation to amplify it. My voice, my ideas, my heart, they matter more in a world full of automation. Because the machines can mimic, but only I can feel. I choose to lead with intention. I choose to create with courage. I choose to collaborate with intelligence, both human and artificial. This is not the end of anything. This is the beginning of everything. Let's boogie into the future.